Welcome on everyone. My name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi, and today I'm going to show you what Kunchi be cooking. I'm going to make a hot sauce, and this is going to be a play on a pineapple jerk hot sauce. I've made a variation of this before. This one's going to be more detailed. Last time I made this, I did not cook ingredients in the hot sauce. So today we're going to go through all of that process. We're going to show you what we're doing with some Scotch Bonnet peppers, some jalapeno peppers, one habanero, some cayenne, tons of other ingredients. Stay tuned and watch how we do this. So if you're not subscribed to the page already, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned to see what we have coming up on a weekly basis. Also, you can follow us on all our socials. Everything is going to be linked down in the description.
So guys, I've been wanting to make this hot sauce for a while, but shout out to my buddy JD. His peppers just came in and he brought me a bunch of cayenne, jalapeños, habaneros, and it's a perfect timing because now I got to figure out how to use it. I had this pineapple that got super ripe on the counter, and this was also something that I thought it would go well in, so we just came together and put this in. Now the full recipe will be written down below, but I want to tell you guys about this citrus orange powder that I made here from some dried citrus peel. So traditionally in Jamaica, we peel the orange and we set the peel in the kitchen to be aromatic. But this has been here for about a week and a half, and my daughter told me to throw it out, and I just said, let me smell it. And I smelt it and I was like, this has got to go in this hot sauce. So I put it in my blender and the rest is history. Now it's a part of the flavor profile and I could not imagine it without it. So cooking all of the peppers together with the rest of the ingredients is going to be how we're going to unlock those flavors from the peppers, but not only unlock them, but try to get them to all be singing the same song in this sauce. I'm telling y'all, this came out so damn good. The sugar, the citrus powder from the citrus peel, the peppers, the garlic, the green onions, everything just came together so well.
So after we're done sauteing, right now we have everything on a simmer. Next steps are going to be, we're going to check this. I'm going to add some jerk marinade to it. I want to give it that bit of complex flavor with the jerk seasoning and spices. Then we're going to take everything to the blender, turn that into our hot sauce. So here we have the hot sauce. Check that out. Really good consistency. I like a more chunky consistency hot sauce. So right off the bat, you taste the sweetness from the pineapple, the flavor, the spice from the Scotch bonnets. The habanero is there and it does give you a lingering heat, but because we only use one habanero, it's not too bad. But all the flavors of the cayenne, the jalapeno, it's a beautiful melody on this hot sauce. Now, make sure you're following, make sure you're subscribing. Go and check out all of my socials everywhere. This hot sauce video is only for YouTube. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next one. No, what?